Steve here, Woodworking Masterclass. Just a quickie. Huge things are happening in 2019 for us at Woodworking Masterclass. We've had a whole change of direction. I don't know if you've seen, but I've now got a paid membership site that's up and running. If you'd like to join us, I think it's about $5 US a month. You get access to a special knowledge bank of ideas as it grows over time, and also you get to see videos and the bloopers that come out of streams and other videos I do. But that's not the main reason for the video. The main reason is we're changing. As you've seen, the workshop here is just full of clutter. It's a mess. Not even Bob can find the place to lie down. Look at him, poor bloke. He's got to lie on top of all sorts of other things. But now I'm changing the shed, and you're coming on the journey. First up, I've got to build a toilet in another set of sheds that I've got, and then I'm getting a big skillion roof put over the top. I'm moving not all the benches, but a lot of the benches from the Woodworking Masterclass workshop here, which is my workshop, up into the top workshop, so then I can start giving lessons to people in real life. And hopefully we might start streaming some of those too. So you're coming on the journey. You can see as we pull things out, change things, build things, and get involved with what we're doing. But right now, I think it's time that I went up, started building the toilet. I've put the platform down. I've got to get the building structure up. So that's it, we're out. Bob and I, we're off to the front shed, and hopefully I can come my grandson into it, maybe Susie, or two grandsons, and they can help me build. So if you want to see how to build a stud wall, I don't know if it's the right way, but it's the way I'll build it and it won't fall down. Come up to the top shed and be on the very first step of the new journey of Woodworking Masterclass, so then I can have a dedicated film studio down here, workshop without tripping over all sorts of stuff, and I can get everyone up into the top shed. Let's go. First thing, got to get changed. Can't do carpentry when you got furniture making kit on. Oh no, I know what the first thing is. Got to give Bob something to eat so he behaves himself. That dog, Bellingham, he's better than I do. I don't get the truth. They've still got a kilo and a half of ham on it. Come on. Come on. How's it? How's it off? Won't see him for a while now. Got to change my clothes. It's all right, the family show, I'm just taking my apron off. I even bought a new hammer for the occasion. Well, actually, this was a new hammer for the workshop. Not here, I can't find my old hammer. It'll turn up. First thing, got to put that plywood up on the wall. An old window I picked up for $10. There you go. That can go in there. All right. I'm going to trim something off of that. Give it a metal flip. quick. If this is square, it should have the same measurement on the diagonal. I'll go in the corner. Alright. Okay. $45. 47. This one up against that wall, like that, and there'll be another wall down there. There you go. All good. He done good, Mum. He done good. Don't just give your privacy when you have a book anyway. So that's it. That's it for today. How strong are you?